Do you want to learn how to timestamp your YouTube videos? Well, today I'm going to share with you how to do that. But first, let me introduce you to myself. My name is Teresa. I'm an online entrepreneur. I've been doing this since 2016, so I have learned my do's and don'ts. And I share tips, tricks, and strategies to help you grow online. Today we are going to talk about timestamp YouTube videos. So let's get to that. Let's get to it. So how to timestamp your videos? You've probably seen
welcome to this training.
These timestamp here. You can see the different timestamps. I'm going to show you how to do that. How to timestamp your video? You're going to go to Manage My Videos. And you can do this to any video you have. I'll do this one. Edit. As you can see, these are all the description. Whatever you guys want to put in your video, you can put it right after if you want. And it's a good idea. It'll help you with, if you have like certain search words that you guys want, YouTube will be, giving tidbits of what people are looking for on YouTube, or Google, and timestamping your videos will capture some of the chapter titles that you put into your video. So it's like I said, put it, let's see, programs. Okay, let's put it here. Obviously you can put it whatever. You can call it chapter, you can call it timestamp. I'm going to call it timestamp. Timestamp. Okay, and in order to work, to get it working properly, you do have to start with 0, semicolon, 0, 0. And then you can call it whatever you want afterwards. Most people make this intro. They call it intro. And then next one. But you have to make sure you have this first. If you don't have 0, 0, YouTube won't know where to start your video. So make sure you always have that first. And then the rest of the video, you guys can just make it. Next one, I'm going to call it how to create YouTube channel, because that's what I'm doing. And then the next chapter I'm going to do is for 13, and I'm going to call this how to upload profile picture. If I can spell it, there we go. And then next timestamp I have is this. Customize channel. And then next chapter or timestamp I have is change channel name. So if somebody is Googling for that, they'll go to that part of the chapter. And then the last part is, I'm going to call it thank you for watching. Okay. That's going to be the end. So there you go. That's basically it. Now, you won't be able to see it right now until you save it. So let's save it. Save change. Okay. And then let's play the video. Are you interested in creating a YouTube channel? Then let me show you
Here's
how. My
all
name
the
is Teresa.
chapters. You guys can see, here's the chapters that came through that we just put in. And you can see it in the comments. And there's my timestamp. If I wanted to go to a specific spot,
Now is change this YouTube channel.
it'll take
Now,
you
I
right
would
to
say once you get,
that. Or if you want to see customize your channel,
are you interested in creating a YouTube channel? Then let me show you how. My name is Teresa.
alright, so let me
online
see. I had to, something didn't make sense.
customize your channel.
So you can change the timestamp if you guys want to. Yeah, that's how you do timestamp for your video. I can show you one that has no timestamp, and you guys know what I'm talking about. Like this one. So this one has no timestamp, as you guys can see. And if you look at down here, there's no timestamp, so obviously this video does not have a timestamp. But if you go back to the one I created for, this one, let me get out of here. We created it for this one, and there's the timestamps. And like I said, it'll show up, you put it in, it'll show up once you save it. So that's how you do timestamp.
Thank you for watching my channel. If you guys got value from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel so you can know when I upload the latest video. Also check out my next video called How to Attract Customers, 5 Marketing Questions to Ask Yourself to Dominate Social Media. I will see you guys on the next video.